Hi, I've got this Xiaomi Mi 1.5 litre electric water kettle that I thought I'd share with you because it's a smart kettle and appliances are quickly becoming smarter where they can connect to devices and Wi-Fi, etc. So it really comes nicely packaged in this good strong box. And if I open the top here, you get an instruction manual, but unfortunately it's all in Mandarin, so that doesn't help. Then in polystyrene, we open up here, and this is how it comes packaged. So let me just get it out of the box. It looks very nice, very modern, with this chrome top and the white lid, and this opens up like this, and it opens to an 80-degree angle. And on the inside we've got a double 304 stainless steel inner layer for better heating insulation and protection. And over here we've got two switches. One is a smart switch to connect via Bluetooth to an app, and the other one is your normal on and off switch. This is what it looks like underneath. And this goes onto this 360-degree swivel base. You can extend the cord longer if you want, or keep it short, whichever you prefer. And then it comes with this small plug. It's a plug I think they use in Australia and New Zealand. So if you don't use this type of plug, you will need an adapter. So I've got an adapter for the UK. This just plugs on there, and I can use this adapter to plug into a UK socket. It goes on here like that. Now this has triple safety protection. First of all, for electric shock prevention. It also prevents electrical leaks and auto powers off. But this can also keep a constant temperature that you can set using the app for up to 12 hours. So if you do pour lots of hot beverages during the course of a day, you can keep the temperature at a high constant temperature without having to switch it on and boil it and then wait for it to cool down all the time. And this takes a voltage of up to 220 volts. Its power output is 1800 watts, and the smart connection frequency is 50 Hertz. Nice shape, nice style, nice design, nice feel. And if you want to use the app, it's called Mi Home. So you can download this from the Google Play Store or from the Apple Store. If I open it here, now the device has to be connected before I can connect it, but I'll show you how to do that shortly. But after you've downloaded the app, you will need to register the app, which shouldn't really be necessary, but nowadays with smart devices they do want to get information too. So let me plug it in, and then when you open up the app, You'll also need to log in initially and put in your email address and the password you used to register. Then you need to click on add a device. So I've added the smart kettle already, and you need to make sure you press the switch or button here. It's furthest away from the urn. You can see a light on there, and then it'll connect to the kettle, but when it was connected it said it couldn't download plugins, and now I can't go any further because if I tap to connect it's just not making a connection. So there's obviously still an issue with Android and the app, and because it's a Bluetooth device, hopefully there will be updates, because if I go into profile and I go into settings, you can check for updates there, and we can also say update plugins, switch that on. But until that's resolved, I don't think I can use the app. And to use the kettle as normal, you just press the button on the front. That's the on button. The kettle starts boiling like a normal kettle, and when it's finished it will turn off automatically, or you can just switch it off by pressing that again. So I hope the issue with the app gets resolved soon. Otherwise it's still a nice kettle, looks good and works well as a normal kettle anyway. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.